You're a star, feel the rays, they soak in, pumping blood. Now your body is glowing. I think you go, yeah, I think you go. You're a star.
Ali Toriano, we've got an amazing event this weekend that we can watch during the late night hours. The Perseids, the best meteor shower of the year, peaks this weekend, late Saturday night into Sunday. We could have 90, even 100 meteors an hour. This all comes from Perseus, the constellation, and it's going to be a spectacular.
I can never tell what's real anymore.
All the decorations up in your room, and I couldn't find the right words to use, but I knew that you knew. It seems so long, it seems so long. The moments that stay, they turn out all wrong. When I look around, you're gone.
Go, you're a star, feel the rays, they soak in.